So I built a prototype for a whiteboard app. Ka. And it was specifically for people who make explainer videos. Rot. And when I evaluated it, like when I showed it to people and tried to figure out if it resonates and solves a real problem, I kind of figured that the concept wasn't working like I imagined. K. And so I'm making this for the archives. So I document somewhere that I was working on this project before I stop working on it indefinitely. Yeah, well, see you tomorrow. Ka. Rot. K. K. See you tomorrow.